In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your blog layout in the Wix editor. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, creating a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate blog is essential to keeping your audience engaged. So let's dive into the process and make your blog stand out. First, within the Wix editor, take a look at your page and find the blog feed element. Once you've located it, click on it. You should notice a toolbar appearing right on your screen. From this toolbar, click on the Settings option. This will be your gateway to a variety of customization options to enhance the look of your blog feed. As the Settings window opens, direct your attention to the Layout tab. This is where the fun begins, because choosing the right layout sets the tone for your blog's aesthetic and usability. You have several options like side-by-side, magazine, or tiled. Each layout offers a unique way to display your posts, so think about what best reflects your blog style and your personal branding. Once you've selected a layout, make the most of the customization options available right there in the settings. You can adjust how many posts are displayed per row. This can significantly impact the scrolling experience for your readers. You can also tweak the image size and ratio to make sure your visuals pop or align perfectly with the text. Additionally, pay attention to the text alignment as this affects readability and flow, ensuring your content is both attractive and easy to consume. Now, moving on to another essential aspect of customizing your blog, individual post pages. Back in the Wix editor, glance to the left of your screen and click on Pages and Menu. There, you'll find the Blog Pages section. Click on Blog Pages, and from there, select your main blog page. Now, this is where we can start to get into the nitty-gritty of customizing individual posts. When you reach the blog page, click on the Post Page option. This is essentially the template that shapes how every single post will look. With the template open, click the Settings button. You'll be presented with two key tabs that hold the power to transform your posts: the Display tab and the Design tab. Start with the Display tab, where you can choose what elements show up on your posts. Maybe you want to highlight the writer's name, include the published date, or perhaps showcase the estimated reading time. All of these elements can be toggled on or off depending on your needs. Switching over to the Design tab, it's time to get creative. Here, you can pick and choose the fonts, colors, and design elements that will make your post's text stand out. Don't underestimate the impact of navigation design either, as this affects how smoothly your readers can move through your content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to designing a blog that not only looks great, but is tailored to your unique branding and content style. Happy editing!